tinanong ng ating minority leader, eh, sa aking pagkakalam, dapat sa pickup, talagang yung track record, no? It seems na mukhang, ano ito, license lang ang ginagamit at hindi track record para makakuha. So, do you have any, meron ba tayong proseso para ma-verify yung kanina pong performance ng pickup?
Actually, Mr. Chair, as it was mentioned a while ago in previous questions, the performance of the contractor is measured by CPS, which is actually under the ambit of the GPPD. And I actually appreciate very much earlier GPPD recall and subsequent hearings to actually shed light, because procurement is a GPPD issue.
Mr. Chair, may I interject with the indulgence the gentleman from San Juan? Mr. Chair, I was the head of the pickup is saying na magsasagawa sa investigasyon. Ano pa ang kredibilidad ninyo gumawa ng investigasyon, Mr. Chair? Kung kayo mismo, mga board of directors niyo, ay mga kontratista, ay mga kontrata sa gobyerno, ikaw, may proyekta, may contractor ka din, though sinasabi mo kanina, wala kang proyekto sa gobyerno. How can you do that? Mr. Chair, pinagluloko tayo ng mga ito. I mean, board of directors na contractors accreditation board, and then kayo mismo ang mga contractor? How can you do? Paano yung bantayan ang sarili ninyo? Paano pa babantayan ninyo yung mga ibang tao, ibang kumpanya kung sarili ninyo hindi nyo mabantayan? Sige nga, di ba dapat ang tanong sa inyo, Mr. Chair, kailan kayo mag-resign? Well, actually, there's already an announcement by Secretary Vince Dizon na he will suggest, Mr. Chair, today lang po, kalalabas lang po, na he would order a sweeping revamp of the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board. Kasama po kayo doon. Kaya yung sinasabi ho ninyo ng mga investigasyon, kalokohan po yung Mr. Chair. Dahil, alam naman ho ninyo, paano ngayon, Mr. Chair, pagre-resign, mga miyembro lahat kayo, may mga negosyo kayo sa gobyerno, Mr. Chair. Meron kayong mga kontrata sa pamahalaan sa DPWH. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Excuse me, Chairman. Yung bang pickup under sa DPWH?
No, Your Honor. We are an attached agency of the DTI.
Maybe he suggested, kasi hindi kayo under ng DPWH. I think you are under DTI, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And particularly under CIAP, Construction Industry Authority of the Philippines.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alam mo, ang sense nung kanyang tanong ganito I think the conflict of interest aspect must be reviewed. Without putting any blame to you, the board of directors of PICAP, notwithstanding